Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 1st May 2024. Market regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India approved amendments to Sebi Regulations 1996 to enhance the existing regulatory framework by requiring asset management companies to put in place a structured institutional mechanism for identification and deterrence of potential market abuse, including front-running and fraudulent transactions in securities. Under the mechanism, the AMCs will be required to ensure enhanced surveillance systems, internal control procedures, and escalation process to identify, monitor, and address specific type of misconduct, including front-running, insider trading, and misuse of sensitive information, among other things. The Sebi board also approved amendments to the regulations to enhance responsibility and accountability of management of AMCs for such an institutional mechanism. The AMCs will also be required to have a whistleblower process to foster transparency. While Sebi will specify the broad framework of the institutional mechanism, industry body Association of Mutual Funds in India or Amfi will have to detail on standards for such an institutional mechanism. Tesla plans to implement further job cuts beyond the recent layoff of over 10% of its workforce as part of its cost-cutting measures amid challenges in the electric vehicle market. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, expressed a commitment to stringent headcount and cost reduction in an email targeting executives who retain staff not meeting high standards. The lending pattern of banks in 2023-24 saw a recovery in lending to large corporates post-COVID-19 contraction. The RBI intervened to improve the quality of retail loans by assigning higher risk weights to unsecured lending, slowing their growth. Loans to the services sector grew faster at 20.2% compared to retail at 17.7% in financial year 23-24. The RBI increased risk weights on unsecured consumer loans and credit cards, leading to a slowdown in the unsecured loan growth to 20.8% from 26.7% a year ago. The multi-billion-dollar Godrej family has decided to amicably split the Godrej Group, which spans from real estate to consumer products, into two groups by untangling the cross-holdings held by the family members across group companies, with a division of businesses and assets between the patriarch Adi Godrej and his cousin Jamshed Godrej. RBI issues guidance note on operational risk management resilience. All regulated entities in India should implement a robust information and communication technology risk management program in alignment with the operational risk management framework. The RBI said that all REs must perform a risk assessment and due diligence before entering into any arrangements with third parties or external entities. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.